What's up, guys? How's it going? My name is Josh, and today I'm going to be showing you a little simple example on how you can automate your portfolio. Right, and I can just give you a little example of how this works. I'm going to go to my repositories, and I am going to star this repository. And if I go to my portfolio, and there it is. And I don't know if you saw before, but it wasn't there before, but now it is. And then if I want to remove it from my portfolio, I just simply unstar it and then it will go away. Okay. So the API that we are going to use is the GitHub API for the REST, and they have a REST API, so it's really simple to use. And the one that we need is this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that right now. Okay. And then I'm going to open up VS Code. And I already have a template made out. Let me go ahead and delete this. Right. And make sure that you put the script tags on the bottom of the page right under the body ending body tag, because it will not work if you do not do that. Okay. So I'm going to make an H1 here. Sorry, that was my keyboard. And I'm going to say like portfolio example. Okay. And then I'm going to open this in browser. All right. There we go. Alrighty. That. All right. Good, looks good. Let's just close that so we have some more room. All right. So then we need to go to our index.js, and this is just, normal regular HTML. Yeah, I almost forgot. We also need a div here, and we can give it the class of main. Close that. And inside of here, I'm just going to put a comment and say dynamically appearing articles. Okay. And we need to make sure that we have jQuery. I will put a link for the CDN in the description, so I have to worry about grabbing that from the internet. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to grab our main div. Easy peasy. Okay. And now we need to make an Ajax call. So make our Ajax call here. And the URL is going to be, again, the URL that we got here from the API. Back. Okay, make sure it's in quotes, not like the way it is here. And you want to change this right here to your GitHub username. So whatever your GitHub username needs to go there in order for this to work. Okay. And we need to put our method, and our method is getting. Okay. And then we can do a .then here and say results. And for now, I'm just going to console log the results so you can see how this works. Okay. Load that. And then boom, we have an array of our repos. And if we go in here, you can see, and I can tell you what we need to grab. So we need to grab our home page, and I can show you what that exactly is. So if I go right here to this this repo right here, this right here, so you have the option of putting a description. I forgot to mention this before, but we need to put a description on each of the repos that you want on your portfolio for it to show up on your actual portfolio. You see, this description here is the same as this description here. This link right here is this link right here. Okay. So make sure you do that. Put your deployed app right here and put a little small description of whatever you want to put about the project. Okay. And so I can show you where the description is. And that should be probably do a, yeah, right there. And there's the description. Okay. So what we need to do, let me just close this console out, is we need to make a simple for loop. I'll just console log the results again. In order to loop through the results array, we can say for let I equal 0, I is less than results dot length I plus plus. Okay. Simple for loop. And then we can say, and then here is where we need to make HTML in JavaScript to put onto our page. And very simple. Probably done this before, especially in project 1. So if you're in the same class as me. So we let the article equal, or is assigned to, and for the sake of time, I'm going to just go ahead and copy paste this. If you want to look at it fully, you can go ahead and just pause the video. I'll make this a bit better. There we go. Right? And let me just do that so you can see it and pause it just in case, and I can go over what exactly this is doing. So here we're making an article tag, which is everything is inside of this article. We have a header with an h2, and this is the name of the repo. Okay. We end the header, and then we start a paragraph, p tag, and we put the description inside of that. Okay. Then we have an unordered list for our buttons. So I can actually take this out because that is part of my other repo and we don't need this. We just need the unordered list. Okay. And same thing here. And I actually need to put button tags. Button and button here. Okay. And then the same thing for the second. Button here. Okay. All right. And then the next thing we need to do is we just need to append the article to our main div. So that's taking all of this HTML here, and it's just appending it to our main div where we want our projects to appear. And we should, yep. So, okay, right, okay, my bad. I forgot something. I forgot to say, most important part, the whole reason why we're doing this. If results I dot stargazers count does not equal 0, okay, then we want to create an article for it, because that means that we have starred the repo on our on GitHub, and I can show you where that is. So right here, stargazers count, that just shows how many people have starred the portfolio. Now, the thing you want to think about here is that if multiple people star the repo, so there might be a problem there if you don't want the repo on your repository anymore and other people have started. So you need to think about that. And then I can just refresh this. Okay. Why are we not getting? Find, right. I'm supposed to put, dude, I'm messing up all types here. My bad. Okay. Here is where that's supposed to go. My bad. There we go. And then you can see here, these are all our portfolio or repos that we have starred. And then you click the button and it takes you to the repo. And then you click this and it takes you to the deployed app. Boom. And of course that you're gonna have to style this and make it look nice, like how I did here. Honestly, I just used the template and then edited it so that to my liking. You can do the same thing, just use a template and put full functionality to it. It's up to you, or you can style it how you want. But yeah, and just remember that on the portfolio, you need to make sure that you put a description and you put a website, because that's how we will grab the make them appear on your actual page. Okay. All right. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'll see you next time. Peace.